Did you know turkeys can actually blush, just like humans? When they're excited, stressed, or even feeling romantic, their bare heads turn bright red, or even blue. This blushing is caused by changes in blood flow to their skin, especially around the neck and head. Turkeys use these color changes to communicate with other turkeys, whether it's warning of danger or showing dominance. So next time you see a turkey with a bright red head, you're witnessing turkey emotion in action. Now that's one blushing bird. Thanks for watching. Like for more amazing poultry facts.
Because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.